Okay, and occasionally you're going to come across questions you don't understand the question. All I can say is keep reading it over and over again. Hopefully at some point you start to understand what you're reading. But they do want me to find the value of n such that, y equals x to the n e to the x satisfies an equation. So what I want to do is start writing down, even if you're clueless about this, you could say, oh, it says x. I see that. And I'm going to plug it in. What am I going to plug in here? Y prime. What's y prime? Let's take a look at that. I'm going to say x to the n, e to the x, plus n, x to the n minus 1 e to the x. And that's y prime, by the way. And what goes on the other side is just x minus 7. And then I multiply it by y. And what's y? It's x to the n e to the x. All right? And what are you going to do now? I guess we can multiply this out. And what do you get? You get x to the n plus 1 e to the x plus n. That would be x to the n e to the x. And then if I multiply this side out, what do you get? You get, let's see, x to the n plus 1 e to the x minus 7 x to the n e to the x. All right, it looks nightmarish. But one thing I noticed about this thing, this term here is like with this term here. So I can subtract them away. And what would you get? Then you'd get n, x to the n, e to the x is equal to minus 7, x to the n, e to the x. All right? The next thing I would probably do is divide both sides by x to the n, e to the x. And what would you get? You get n equals minus 7. And we're done. We found the n. Thank you.